No signal. 25. I will show to people.
Is there windows here or is it-
No windows.
Gene,
I'm sorry. This will have to wait.
excuse me?
You need to request that a rescue team be sent to this location immediately. That's where you'll find Weller, along with Nas, Reed, and Zapata.
Dako kayo kung naon da.
They won the auction. Nas used the
Naon ta guys. Pinatungko pa. Hina jud internet.
in Burton's offshore account, $20 million in total, although that's just the first half. Marconi will be expecting the second half as soon as they get there, and they do not have it. So they're going to need some serious backup.
They defied my direct orders, and you expect me to go bail them out?
Well, the way I see it, you can either stick to your guns and let 4 federal agents and a kidnapped civilian die, or you can get credit for capturing the FBI's 8th most wanted.
Moving day. Bodies are here. Time to go.
This is yummy.
Get out. Please, look.
Vanilla slice. Very nice when it's new, but when it's the next day, it's getting hard.
You better eat both then.
We need you over here.
Yeah, I will eat that one.
No. I have a chance to get out of here.
Patawan ko na naman. I wash my hand.
That's Marconi's chief.